Welcome back everybody, and today we're going over Harbor Freight's Yukon and US General storage days. All carts and roller cabinets are going to be on sale. What we got here is everyone gets 15% off, ITC gets 20% off, and that's why I always say it's worth it to be ITC. Now this is going on from June 19th to the 21st. Also included in this is the US General magnetic accessories. You get a deal on that also. 25% if you're ITC, and that's what we're going to go over in today's video. We're going to go over all this, what's included in this, and I'm going to give you the ITC price. So let's get started. Starting off the sale, we got the US General 30-inch 5-drawer mechanics cart. $289.99 is going to be your regular price. Sales price on this with the 20% off is going to be $231.99, and look at all these colors you have in it. Next up here, we got the Yukon 46-inch 9-drawer mobile storage cabinet with a solid wood top, available in these 4 colors. Regular price on this one is going to be $359.99. Sales price on this one is going to be $287.99. Next up here, we have the US General 30-inch 1-drawer service cart, available in all these colors. This one's going to be $139.99. Sales price on this one is going to be $111.99. Finishing off this row, we got the US General 56-inch by 22-inch roll cab, Series 3 on this, available in all these colors. $899.99 is your regular price. Sales price on this one will be $719.99. Starting off this row, we got the US General 42-inch by 22-inch roll cabinet, Series 3, available in all these colors. Regular price on this one is going to be $599.99. Sales price on this one will be $479.99. Next up here, we have the Yukon 5-tier shelf. This is a 36-inch by 18-inch by 72-inch. Regular price on this one's going to be $59.99. Sales price will be $47.99. Next up here, we have the Yukon 60-inch 3-drawer hardwood bench. This one is normally $159.99. Sales price on this one will be $127.99. And finishing off this roll is one that I always want, but I never have the money when it's on sale. We got the US General 34-inch by 23-inch 6-drawer full bank service cart, available in all these colors. $599.99 regular price. Your sales price on this one will be $479.99. Starting off this roll, we got the US General 27-inch by 22-inch roll cab, Series 3, available in all these colors. Regular price on this one is $379.99. Sales price will be $303.99. Next up here, we have the US General Adjustable Height Mobile Service Cart Tray Black. Regular price on this one's $109.99. Sales price will be $87.99. Next up here, we have the Yukon 48-inch Workbench with Light. Normal price on this one is $119.99. Sales price will be $95.99. And finishing off this row, we have a US General 30-inch by 16-inch 3-shelf steel service cart in red, for $69.99 regular price. Sales price on this one will be $55.99. Starting off this row, we got something new from Yukon. We got the Yukon 36-inch by 18-inch 5-drawer rolling tool cabinet, available in these 3 colors. Regular price on this one is going to be $329.99. Sales price on this will be $263.99. Next up here, we have the US General 22-inch end locker Series 3, available in all these colors. Regular price is going to be $399.99. Sales price on this one will be $319.99. Then we got the US General 72-inch by 22-inch triple bank roll cab, Series 3, available in all these colors right here. Regular price on this one is $1,699.99. Sales price on this one is going to be $1,359.99. Finishing off this row, we got the US General 30-inch 4-drawer tech cart, available in all these colors. Regular price on this one is $219.99. Sales price will be $175.99. Starting off this row, we got the Yukon 46-inch mobile workbench with a solid wood top. $329.99 is regular price on this one. And then sales price on this is going to be $263.99. Next up here, we got the US General 15-inch end cabinet Series 3, available in all these colors, for $279.99. Sales price on this one will be $223.99. Then we got the US General 56-inch by 22-inch Work Center Hutch Series 3, available in all these colors. Regular price is $499.99. Sales price on this one will be $399.99. And finishing off this roll, we got the US General 42-inch by 22-inch top chest Series 3, available in all these colors. Regular price on this one will be $449.99. Sales price will be $359.99. Starting off this roll, we got the US General 36-inch by 24-inch 2-shelf steel service cart black. Regular price is going to be $89.99. Sales price will be $71.99. Then we got the US General 27-inch by 22-inch top chest Series 3, available in all those colors. Regular price on this is going to be $269.99. Sales price on this one is going to be $215.99. Next up here, we have the US General 56-inch by 22-inch top chest Series 3, available in all these colors. Regular price on this one is going to be $599.99. Sales price on this will be $479.99. Finishing off this roll, we got the US General 72-inch by 22-inch work center hutch Series 3 on this one, available in all these colors. Regular price on this is going to be $649.99. Sales price on this will be $519.99. Starting off this roll, we got the US General hanging tool cabinet for $99.99. Sales price on this one will be $79.99. Now the next one we got here is a Yukon 48-inch by 72-inch garage cabinet. Now this says new lower price, so we're going to check this two different ways, because sometimes the sale is included on this, sometimes they're not. Unfortunately, I didn't read the description at the beginning, so right now it's $399.99 with $50 off. But if you do $449.99 minus the 20%, that drops it down to $359.99. But if they let you stack it, which I'm not sure if they could do, so don't hold me to this, would be $319.99. Next up here, we have the US General 72-inch by 22-inch triple bank top chest Series 3. All of these colors available on that one. And we got $949.99. Sales price on this one will be $759.99. Then the last one we got here is another Yukon with a new lower price, so we'll check it both ways here. We got the 30-inch by 72-inch garage cabinet. Right now it is $299.99, saving you $50 on that. But if it does the sales price of 20% off the regular price, that would be $349.99, dropping it to $279.99. But if they let you stack it, it would be the sales price right now of $299.99, dropping it to $339.99. And that's all the cabinets I have listed on the website. Now let's move over to the magnetic stuff. And the first thing we got here on the magnetic stuff, which is going to be 25% off, we got the US General 18-inch magnetic tool holder for a regular price $499. Sales price on this one will be $374. Now these next two here are 3/8 drive magnetic socket holders. It's just one's metric, one's standard. So I'm just going to do these together. Regular price on these is going to be $19.99. Sales price will be $14.99. And finishing off this row, we got the US General 1/4-inch drive metric magnetic socket holder, $16.99 normally. Sales price is going to be $12.74. Now starting off this row, we got the US General 1/2-inch drive metric magnetic socket holder for $22.99. Sales price on this one will be $17.24. Next up here, we have the US General 1/4-inch drive SAE magnetic socket holder for $16.99. Sales price on that will be $12.74. Next up here, we have the US General 3/8-inch magnetic socket rail, $21.99. Sales price on this one would be $16.49. And then we're going to move over here to the US General 1/2-inch magnetic socket rail. Same price of $21.99. So the sales price on this will be $16.49. Starting off this row, we have the US General magnetic glove tissue dispenser. All these colors available. Sales or regular price, is going to be $14.99. Sales price on this one is going to be $11.24. The one gripe I have about this, if I remember, I'll leave a card up above to my video on this. None of the gloves that Harbor Freight sells, their boxes fit in this snugly. They just flop around in it, and I really don't like that about this, but I'll leave that up to you. You can watch my review video on it. Then we got the US General 1/2-inch drive SAE magnetic socket holder, $22.99 regular price, $17.24 will be your sales price. Next up here, we have the US General 14 1/8-inch by a 6 1/4-inch magnetic stainless steel parts tray. $13.99 is regular price on that. Sales price will be $10.49. And finishing off this row, we got the US General magnetic power and air tool holder, $21.99. Sales price on this will be $16.49. Leave a comment down below. I've heard mixed feelings about this, a lot more negative on this than positive. Leave a comment down below if you have this and what you think of it. Starting off this row, we got the U.S. General 25-pound magnetic hook set, available in all these colors. $7.99 is regular price. Sales price is going to be $5.99. Then we got the U.S. General 9.5 inch by 5.5 inch magnetic stainless steel parts tray. $13.99 is regular price. Sales price on this one will be $10.49. Next up here, we have the U.S. General 5-outlet magnetic power strip with a metal housing and 2 USB ports, available in all these colors. Regular price on this one is going to be $33.99. Sales price will be $25.49. And finishing off this row, we got the U.S. General magnetic paper towel holder, available in all these colors. Regular price is going to be $14.99. Sales price is going to be $11.24. I do have this one, and I do like it. Starting off this row, we have the U.S. General Power and Air Tool Drawer Organizer for $29.99. Sales price on this one will be $22.49. Next up, we got the U.S. General 5-slot magnetic wrench rack. $24.99 is going to be regular price. $18.74 is going to be sales price. And I'm going to say this for all the wrench racks at Harbor Freight. Go to Amazon. They got better stuff at a better price that works way better. Next up here, we have the U.S. General magnetic wrench rack. This is going to be a 4-piece for $12.99 regular price. Sales price on this one will be $9.74. And finishing off this row, we've got the U.S. General magnetic bit storage for $9.99 regular price. Sales price on this will be $7.49. Starting off this row, we got the U.S. General 6-inch magnetic parts holder for $4.49. And sales price on this one is going to be $3.74. And it's available in all these colors right here. Next up here, we got the U.S. General 1/4-inch magnetic socket rail for $21.99. Sales price on this one will be $16.49. Then we got the U.S. General magnetic cup holder, available in all these colors. $11.99 is regular price. $8.99 will be your sales price, sorry. Finishing off this row, we got the U.S. General magnetic tray with screwdriver holder, available in all these colors. Regular price on this is going to be $15.99. Sales price will be $11.99. Starting off this row, we got the U.S. General magnetic spray can and screwdriver holder, available in all these colors. Regular price on this one will be $14.99. Sales price will be $11.24. Next up here, we're going to do these two together because they're the same price. What we have is a 1/2 inch and 3/8 inch magnetic socket rail with the twist lock for $21.99. Sales price on both of these will be $16.49. Finishing off this row, we got the U.S. General 10.5 by 11.5 inch magnetic stainless steel parts tray. $17.99 is regular price. Sales price on this one will be $13.49. Starting off this row, we got the U.S. General magnetic clip rail tool holder for $17.99. Sales price on this one will be $13.49. And finishing this out, we got the U.S. General 1/4-inch magnetic socket rail with twist lock, $21.99. Sales price on this will be $16.49. And there you have it. There is the Harbor Freight, Yukon, and U.S. General storage days that's going on from June 19th through the 21st. I gave you guys ITC deals because those are the best. Once again, that is 20% off of all the carts and cabinets, and then it is 25% off of all the magnetic stuff. A lot of great deals on this one. Leave a comment down below on what you guys want to pick up. I would love that 34-inch full bank tool cart one day. Every time it goes on the sale, I don't have the money. Really want that though. I want it in blue to match my tool cart. Leave a comment down below. I want to hear what you guys want to get in this deal. Love talking to you guys down in the comments. As always, don't forget to check the description out down below. Down there, I'll have my link tree that has affiliate accounts that do help out the channel. Some of them got discount codes to save you guys money. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are one nation under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.